Alright, you're on, baby.
And don't take video of me the whole time. You remember how to shoot a gig log, right?
Yeah, I do.
Are you zoomed in at all? Do I have a red mustache or something?
No.
You were zoomed in! I knew you were lying to me.
Where's the other bar?
Wait,
That's empty.
Camera, come back. Back there. We're at the middle school. Right now we're setting up sound for a band job. I forget what the band is called. Doesn't really matter. We've got team. Aiden's behind the camera. Jeremy's over there setting up our back line. This is gonna be a really weird gig log.
Here's Jeremy.
It's not filmed by. Nope. And then Matt's in the corner. Woo!
Oh yeah.
We'll keep you updated with video clips throughout the day if we can remember to shoot a gig log. Aiden's in charge of remembering to shoot a gig log throughout the day, and he knows how to do it.
Look at my nail.
So if this gig log sucks, everybody come at Aiden in the comments.
Bye.
Wait, yeah. There's a mall.
Alright, here we go, baby.
Get a close for the sandwich, get a close for the wedge.
The witch. Hi, so what are we doing today, fellas?
We're setting up a speaker.
Are we?
For a jazz thing.
Very unsafe speaker.
Who puts an E-Box 12 like this? Anybody who's watching this video who knows what an E-Box 12 is, why would you want to scratch it? Don't put it down like that. These speakers are sexy.
I was about to sell this.
Don't.
Yes.
Okay. I was about to sit on it. I thought someone was saying. Oh, wait, what is this?
Come on, bro.
That's the pin. He's got it. Can't see how far it goes.
Yeah.
Shove it back in a little bit. It's gonna go on the topmost hole. I know it's a pain in the ass to get there. Push down a little bit, tighten it in. Not too tight, right? Not too tight. We don't want to strip it. Okay. Did you see the speaker connect on the back here?
Does it matter what side goes in?
No, it doesn't matter. These are not patch cables. Sometimes patch cables don't like patch cable means it's two different ends.
Okay.
So sometimes patch cables prefer which way to go, but usually copper touching copper just gets it.
I'm just speaking English, bro.
There's this entire gig log. Josh is going to be in the back. What did I tell you about the cane? Go put the cane.
What is this even for?
Okay. We need updates.
ready?
Yeah, we need updates. Yep.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm good. We're on.
Positive?
We're on.
Apparently you wanted to turn off the phone on me.
Nah, we're on.
Alright, so far we have the
What the hell?
set up,
Up.
and he's making a lot of noise. And we also have the drums up, obviously, as you can see in front of you. You have the microphone set up for them. We have most of the power ran for that. All the speakers. We have the two mains up. This isn't the right clip. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. I can't just put it in. Yeah, you gotta push down. You can't push it in that way. I'm not even kidding.
So what microphone?
Oh!
What microphone is this that we're setting up?
It's NT5. Rode NT5.
For what?
This is for overhead microphone. This is so we can get mostly the cymbals and every other ambient noise coming off the drum set.
From that direction?
NT5. Say again?
From that direction?
Just from that direction. This is a cardioid microphone.
Okay.
So basically it gets whatever's here, not whatever is above it. Omnidirectional is when you go everywhere. You go everything around.
This is the guy's drum set that we're using.
My set, which I think sounds absolutely fucking good.
I'm doing an overhead mic. Oh, I'm sorry. Am I on your...
You hold it down.
All right, Jeremy, let's go. Let's
We
see
gotta
some
get
action.
also 3 stands up for brass.
Should we do that?
Yes.
Okay. With those?
No, these are for the front.
All right, Jeremy, let's go. You look so dope. Jeremy, let's go. Let's see some action.
Do the Pornhub thing. Now that we're doing like vlogception.
Yeah, baby.
Wait, stop!
No, he was good, bro.
He's good. NT5, NT5, E604, 2 E604s.
That is.
You don't need to do it. That's why I'm doing it.
Okay, buddy.
E604.
604. Inside the kick drum is a Beta 91. Outside the kick drum is an SM57 right now. Temporarily, probably. Whirlwind Snake. 812. Blizzard Power Drops. What's our progress looking like?
Getting there. What was that? Okay, well, yeah, it's getting there.
What are we running over here?
We're running EOS.
On your new favorite toy, the command key?
I absolutely love this thing. It's fantastic. Let's need to create effects.
Do something cool.
Okay. So, let me make this.
It takes, everybody who's been watching long enough knows that it takes Jeremy an hour to do something cool.
At least it gets it done.
He does get it done. Ah, something cool. All right.
And I can go 40 plus 5.
This is what happens when you bring on a lighting designer who knows what he's doing. Oh, I want one of those. Take a video or? Yeah, video.
Why did you do that?
because you
want a
helped.
picture.
Oh, well, I guess I'll take a picture. Go ahead. It's still a video.
Why would you do that?
Let's do a walk around. Let's do a walk around of this vehicle. Loadout is always the best time of day.
Any time of the day tomorrow,
What?
do me a favor, just start picking up stuff.
What was that? I thought he was going to close my trunk on me.
Matt, tell us how it went and what we do. Tell the.
Pretty well.
You closed the trunk. But the funny part is the hood is still open. we can't hear you.
What are you saying? Huh?
Hello, buddy. Tell us about your window scraping story quickly.
Okay, so normally at 7 a.m. cars have ice on the outside. Well, in New York, they have ice on the outside of the windows. So usually use an ice picker,
A scraper.
go ice scraper, and you scrape it off. No. I tried that. Nothing came off. I went on the inside of my car, took a napkin. I'm like, okay, maybe it's a little ice. No. This was some dick shit. I look like a fucking idiot scraping the inside of my glass.
Oh man.
Yeah. Fun shit.
Oh man.
Alright guys, we're here at the Gigalog. There's Matt.
Wait, you can't even get it right.
Okay.
You can't even get
So
that right.
so we're outside. Here are our vehicles. That's Matt's Bronco. What, you're 98?
93.
I was close. I have a shitty 09 Hyundai Elantra Touring, a nice black. And there's Denison's car. What year?
2005 Dodge Ram 1500.
Thank you, I had no clue. So, yeah. we're done, and time and time to go home and go sleep.
I don't know how much footage we have from this gig because Aiden sucks as a camera person, but we all knew that already. We were also super busy, and like day 2 was only us. It was only us three.
And I called Aiden in the last minute because I need to follow spotter.
And then he walks out.
Give him something.
And then he walks out
give
at like
him
10 o'clock right after the gig, and we're like, "Where are you going?" He's like, "Oh, I gotta go home." I'm like, "What?"
But he's a trooper, and we got through.
So I guess this has been another gig log. Hope it gets as many views as the last one did, because that was awesome. But the last one also had Matt in it, so prom.
Oh yeah.
So
Next year is gonna be fun.
this year's prom.
No, this concert.
Next year's concert. I'm not saying the name yet. No, I don't, because I don't know if it's definitely confirmed or not.
It's late. We all want to go home.
It's cold
People
out.
are probably looking out their windows
only
like, "What the
11.
fuck are these three?"
11?
Yeah. That's it.
Wow, we didn't count. Remember,
Yeah.
remember that gig? We fucking in and out in 10 minutes here?
That was awesome.
Yeah.
That was awesome. We did.
It was,
We tried to shoot a gig log
some
for it. It
dance
didn't work
thing?
out. There's a dance
We
thing
were
that the
out
kids
in
do every
10
year.
minutes.
We loaded in 10 minutes and we were out in 10 minutes.
It was
I forget,
fantastic.
I forget that lady, but I know you're talking
Two
about.
This
subs,
year,
2 tops?
No, it wasn't 2 subs. It was the K sub, 2 PRXs, and that was it.
Oh, that was it?
Yeah.
Easiest gig ever.
And that's what we're doing again this year. PRX sub, 2 PRX tops, and we're done.
I have to say those Z-boxes actually performed really nicely.
They-
Yeah, I
They
just
were
can't afford to
nice.
rent them for that gig. But I would totally
No, I know, but I'm
rent
just
money.
saying like it worked really well for
Yeah, very, very compact
Yeah,
all-in-one system.
you'll see it in the video. There's gonna be like a lot of clips from Snapchat too that I'm gonna find off of these 2 Snapchat.
I didn't even take a picture of the front.
I took some video, but it's not a lot.
Send it to me.
Yeah, I have a housewife flash.
When the breaker shook for the amplifiers and I went to front of house, I was like, "Oh, guess I'm operating front of house now." And I Snapchat it, and I was like, "Okay, this is fun."
Yeah.
But it
I
sounded
totally
good.
forgot that rack, that power, what do we want to call it, power conditioner. I forgot it trips
so easily.
easily.
Yeah.
But it
Isn't
could,
it 20 amp?
it could run on a load on 20 amp, but if it spikes over 20, it shuts down. I forgot about that. Because I had that problem with it.
All of a
before.
sudden, there's no monitors on stage. I'm like, "Oh!"
That's why we should have pulled off another circuit.
Yeah.
But
The
we ran out
802
of
should
time.
802 and RMX should have been on a different circuit than the XT.
But we ran out of time.
Yeah.
That was the only bad part, but it worked. I mean, we were pulling about 20 amps.
At max? Yeah. Wow.
Well, we were running probably around 20 amps, but then we were peaking at probably about 30 is what it would pull, but it's not really 30.
Yeah.
It's just a spike.
Like it's 30.
I know when they test the breakers, they test it with double their amperage, so they test 20 with a 40.
Yep.
And it doesn't break, it's an issue.
Yeah.
And I did.
Oh, I just realized you put the camera on your roof, which is it's ice.
Yeah.
It's ice.
That's cold.
Ice?
It's cold out. It is like, I don't know, 32
Jeez.
degrees.
It's 32 degrees. Okay, this gig log is now over. Say goodnight, Matt.
Bye.
Say goodnight.
Alright, guys.
Good
I'll see ya.
night.